I'm going to explain how to create a SharePoint site on Glow. Once you've logged all your pupils onto Glow with a username and password, and then the pupils have changed the password to their own private one, and that's a lesson or two all on its own, then you can create your own class SharePoint site. This is just like the old Glow groups. So to do it, you go to the school site, and then you go down to the bottom left here where it says edit links, site content, and then scroll up to the bottom where it says add a new subsite. So the first thing you want to do is give your new site a title. So for example, it could be P7. You could give it a description if you want to, but you don't have to. Where it says website address, you have to type into that box the same as your title. So for me, it would be P7. And then I would just encourage you to keep everything else as default for the sake of ease. The only thing I want to point out to you is this bit here where it says user permissions. If you keep it as use the same permissions as parent site, it's a lot easier, but it means anybody in your school will be able to access this site. So if it's something really confidential that you wouldn't want anybody being able to go in and see, then you might want to go to use unique permissions. But then you would have to type in all the Glow usernames of the people that you do want to access. So if you don't mind other people being able to see it, which I don't, it's quite good being able to see other class sites for ideas, then you just leave it at that and hit create. And it's really that simple. So it's just working on it now. And then once it's set up, you want to create your own style. That would be the first thing I would do. So if you go to this bit here, what's your style? And then you're given lots of different options, which you'll see in a wee minute. So you can see there's lots of different styles here, whatever you like. So for primary 7, I think I will go with this one here. And it lets you try it out just to see what it's like. So if I hit this try it out, it will make the site that I've just created in that style to see if you like the look of it or not. And if you like it, then you'll click on yes, keep it, and if you don't, then no, not quite there. So there's my primary 7 site, and I think that looks really funky, so I'm going to keep it. And that's all you have to do. Try that again. So the first thing I would want to do at this point is just add something to the newsfeed for your group. The newsfeed is a wee bit like Facebook and Twitter. You can, it's like a status, but you can also do hashtags. So for example, I'm going to do welcome, and then I'm going to do hashtag, there it is, Lockfield, and post. And then people are able to comment back or like it. And you can also add some documents to your site. And the other thing that's really cool is if you click up on the 9 dots here, then your pupils will be able to access all this, which is fantastic. And I'm going to show you one of the sites that I've created, and we did a class PowerPoint online about their topic Scotland, so I'll show you that next time. Thank you.